According to the CDC, more than a third of Americans don't get enough sleep. Whether that's because they just stay up too late or from the stress of daily news, something is keeping us up at night. And it could be what we're eating. I mean, everyone knows that drinking coffee or eating sugar before bed is a bad idea, but that occasional midnight pizza slice probably isn't helping either. So rather than reach for that slice, I turned to 4 nutritionists to hear more about the foods that help you sleep better. We're looking for foods that are calming to the body, rather than stimulating. Foods that either help us to fall asleep faster or improve the quality of our sleep. Melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle, and serotonin, a chemical that's a natural mood stabilizer, are 2 key neurotransmitters vital for falling asleep and improving the quality of sleep. In order to trigger sleep and calm, Hein and the other experts I spoke to said to choose foods with melatonin, tryptophan, an essential amino acid that helps your body to create melatonin and serotonin, and vitamin B6, which also helps make melatonin. No matter what you decide to eat, keep it small, aka avoid a massive bowl of popcorn with your binge TV sesh. Aim for no more than 200 calories, says Amy Gorin, registered dietitian, and owner of Amy Gorin Nutrition. Eating too much late at night could interfere with your sleep. 1. Almonds. According to registered dietitian Chelsea Elkin, magnesium-rich almonds are a great snack to help with sleep. 1 ounce of almonds contains 80 milligrams of magnesium, or about 20% of your daily value, and research shows that magnesium helps to support sleep and muscle relaxation, says Elkin. I like to have a handful of almonds before bed with a cup of chamomile tea, which also promotes drowsiness. Not a fan of raw, unsalted almonds? Elkin suggests spreading almond butter on a rice cake or topping a sliced banana with almond butter for a sleep-inducing pre-bedtime snack. 2. Bananas. Elkins also suggests bananas as a pre-bed snack. Bananas are rich in both potassium and magnesium, which can help to relax muscles. They also contain tryptophan, which helps to produce the sleep-inducing hormones serotonin and melatonin. For a sleepy time smoothie, Elkin recommends blending almond milk, half a banana, frozen berries, ice cubes, and a sprinkle of flax or chia seeds until smooth. 3. Grapefruit. Another important nutrient for sleep is the antioxidant lycopene, as demonstrated in this recent study, which found that people who consumed more lycopene had less difficulty falling asleep. Grapefruits contain lycopene, says Elkin. As an added bonus, lycopene also helps to support heart and bone health. Tomatoes and watermelon are also rich in lycopene. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains tryptophan, which helps the body produce serotonin, which aids in mood regulation and promotes drowsiness and relaxation. Elkin suggests pairing plain yogurt with a carbohydrate, like half a banana or a sprinkling of granola, to help transport tryptophan to the brain. 5. Herbal tea. Many people turn to sleepy teas in the evening to help get ready for bed, and for good reason. A warm beverage, such as a non-caffeinated herbal tea like chamomile or a warm cup of milk, can help relax and soothe your mind and body in the evenings, preparing you for sleep. I think that more important than the sleep-inducing ingredients, there is something psychologically soothing about winding down with a warm cup of tea. Clients often tell me it helps them to feel relaxed and ease feelings of raciness and anxiety. 6. Salmon. For a good night's sleep, try vitamin B6-rich salmon. Research supports the link between fish and better sleep, says Elkin, who points to a recent study that found individuals who consumed Atlantic salmon 3 times per week reported better sleep and overall daily functioning. 7. Strawberries. These sweet berries offer a natural source of melatonin. I like to pair strawberries with low-fat Greek yogurt, so you get a dose of protein to help keep you full. 8. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds might be the perfect bird food, but they're also a good bedtime snack. In addition to containing tryptophan, the seeds also offer filling fiber and healthy fats, which will help to curb your hunger longer. Try adding a spoonful of sunflower seed butter to an evening smoothie, or sprinkle the nuts onto low-fat Greek yogurt. 9. Tart cherries. Several experts suggested both dried tart cherries and tart cherry juice for improved sleep. Tart cherry juice may boost levels of melatonin and provides anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on the body. If you suffer from certain types of pain, drinking tart cherry juice daily may help manage pain and therefore lead to a better night's rest. 10. Tomatoes. Red tomatoes offer the sleep-inducing superhormone melatonin. Goran suggests doubling up the melatonin by drizzling cherry or grape tomatoes with olive oil, which also provides melatonin. 11. Tuna. Like salmon, tuna is a fish that can help with sleep. It not only contains vitamin B6 to assist in the production of melatonin, but it also contains selenium. Those deficient in this important antioxidant may have more difficulty falling asleep. 12. Red wine. Good news, an evening glass of wine isn't that bad. Some red wines, such as the Italian reds Nebbiolo and Croatina, offer high amounts of melatonin. But too much of anything can be a bad thing, and Goran warns not to drink too much, as alcohol can also reduce levels of melatonin in the blood. 13. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse, high in fiber. They're also low in saturated fat, and a good source of vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as potassium and manganese. So it's not surprising they're a good sleep aid. Not only will the carbs in sweet potatoes help produce serotonin, but they also contain the minerals magnesium and zinc, 2 micronutrients that work synergistically in creating melatonin. Try stuffing them burrito bowl style, or turn them into hash-like fritters. 14. Spinach. Although melatonin is the key ingredient in sleep aid, magnesium is also important. Magnesium deficiency could prevent you from being able to relax at night and get into that sleepy mood. Spinach is an everyday superfood rich in this relaxing mineral. Try it in a simple salad, blend it into a smoothie, or sauté it as a side dish. 15. Walnuts. Another superfood, walnuts are packed with sleep-strengthening nutrients. Not only do walnuts have super healthful types of unsaturated fats such as omega-3s, but they are also rich in melatonin and have been shown to increase circulating levels of melatonin in the body. Snack on roasted walnuts, add them to salads or use them in pesto.